able to provide you with new products, that is the filter kits, which will include different of filter elements. Here I will introduce you some of the kits we already have now. Okay, we have now got the first kit, and you can see this package is very strong, and with our brand logo, which is Dusarel, we are the exclusive agent for it. Here we will see what is inside it. Okay, let's see. Here we got the first one. It is air cleaner element. You can see it. Okay, the second one is also an air cleaner element. Here. Okay, the third one is, we got an oil filter here. See, it's very nice color with Dusarel printing on it. Okay. Now we come to the last one. It's a fuel filter. It's also with our Dusarel printing on it, and with shrink film. Here is all the elements in this kit, and let's see what's it for. Okay, this is used for John Deere D series construction. Yeah. And if you need to know more information for this kit, you can check our website and find more details. Here we have got the second one. It's also for John Deere. It's for John Deere 1025R tractor. And let's see what's inside in this kit. Well, we got many items here. The first is also the air cleaner. See this one. Second one is this. It's air filter elements as well. Then third one is an oil filter, very nice. Same with the Dusarel printing on it. Okay. Then it's a small hydraulic filter. The last one is very tiny but nice, the fuel filters. Okay, that's all we have for this kit. And the third kit is for keys. SV300. Okay, it's very heavy. Let's see what's inside. Okay, we got this small one first. It's an oil filter. Okay, with the Dusarel printing as well. Okay, next one is the separator. Okay. Then we have left also two air filter elements. And the last one is bigger. You can see. Okay, that's all we have today. Okay, now we will pack them. And we put these two filter elements back to the box. Then the oil filter, fuel filter. It's very nice kit, like a gift kit, which you got. And if you have any requirements for these kits, you can contact us for details.